Dear students, welcome to another training session of the best and extremely famous accounting app, QuickBooks Enterprise 2024 version. As you know, we have started a series of lectures on customers' accounting activities in QuickBooks. In today's lesson, you will learn how to create credit notes in QuickBooks and how to apply or unapply a credit note in QuickBooks. Let's see how we can do these activities in QuickBooks. In order to create credit note, when you come to the QuickBooks main screen on the home page, you will find one option here, refund. Issue a credit memo or credit to a customer for merchandise return, service credit or credit towards an account. The other option, you can go directly to the customer center, and from here you can choose any customer for which you want to create a credit note. Like I will choose from here this Amazon trading, and I will just right click and I will choose this option, create credit memos or refund from here. Okay, when I click on it, it will open for me the credit memo form. So just from here I will select my class for this customer, the date for which on which I want to create the credit note. Credit note number is auto. Then come to the item, which item I want to return to this customer. I want to return this item, amidramin expectorant syrup. How many pieces I want to make return? 10 pieces. When I after entering this, when I press save and close, so it will ask me that the credit memo or refund has a remaining balance which you may use. What would you like to do with this credit? Retain as an available credit. Means the first option, you can keep this credit to use it later. The second option is give a refund. You will pay the money to the customer. The third option is apply to an unpaid invoice. So any option you can choose from here. So I will choose from here apply to an invoice, and when I press OK, it will open another window for me and it will list all the unpaid invoices for this customer, and from here I can choose which invoice I want to pay against this credit note. So the credit note value is 56.91. Okay, so any invoice of my choice I can choose from here. Then as you can see, this invoice is 2,515, and after deducting this the due balance will be changed. Just I will press done. Now this credit note is saved and the customer balance is decreased, and this you can see here the credit memo also. Here you can filter credit memos, so all the credit notes for this customer you can see. You select invoices, you can see all the invoices, select all transactions, so everything is there for the customer. So till here you have learned that how to create a credit note for a customer and how to apply that credit note to an unpaid invoice. But now, after saving this transaction, suppose you find that you make a mistake. You have applied this credit note to this invoice, but it does not belong to this invoice. You have to unapply that credit note from that invoice and apply it differently. So how you can do it now? So this I will explain you. Just open this credit note again. When you open it, so here you can see on the right hand side there is one tab for customer and one tab for the transaction. When you click on the transaction, it will show you that on this invoice you have deducted this credit note. So just click on that invoice. So it will open for you the invoice. See on the down, payments applied 56.91 on the total amount, and after that due balance is 2458. Now you will choose this option. On the top of the screen there is one option, apply credits. When you click on it, so it will open for you the credit note which you applied to this invoice. Just you uncheck this one and make it done, and now you can see that payments applied is 0, and that invoice total amount unpaid is the same as per the invoice. Now you will just save and close this. Now this credit is available for you. You can apply this credit to another invoice. When you click again on and you can choose this option from here, use credit to apply an invoice. So from here you can choose any other invoice. Before by mistake you have chosen this one, so now don't do this mistake again. Just select the exact invoice, like this invoice it belongs to, this credit note, then make it done. Save and close. So like this you can apply and unapply a credit note to different invoices of your choice. I hope you have perfectly learned all the things we have discussed in this training session. If you find this course beneficial, give this course 5-star rating, like it, share it with your friends. Thank you.